Welcome to Sandler AI Roleplay Coach, powered by Udly. For most sales teams, reps often don't get the time they need to consistently practice their selling before a call, and leaders often struggle to dedicate one-to-one time to helping them build lasting skills. The reality is, reps are expected to perform on every call, but they rarely get the chance to rehearse. That's where Sandler AI Roleplay Coach comes in. This isn't just a training tool. It's a personal sales coach available 24/7, designed to help your team practice real conversations, handle objections, refine their questioning, and reinforce what they've learned using the Sandler selling system. The result? Confidence, consistency, and measurable improvement in moments that matter most. Let's dive in to see how it works. Once a rep logs in, they can access a set of curated roleplay scenarios directly on the main page. These are all grounded in Sandler's methodology, so whether they're prepping for a discovery call or struggling to navigate objections, they can choose practice that reflects their real selling environment. They can even practice scenarios that are tailored for their Sandler selling certifications. In the side navigation, they can access the Scenario Builder to further tailor practice to their needs, the dashboard for in-depth analytics, My Recordings to view their previous attempts, and My Learning for access to the Sandler Skills Lab, Sandler certifications, and more. Let's choose a practice to begin. On the practice screen, reps can choose a scenario from our list of Sandler skills, select the AI roleplay partner they want to practice with, and read through a brief summary of the session and rubric before they begin. Once they're ready, they can begin their practice. Here's where it gets powerful. The AI responds in real time, just like a prospect would. And it doesn't follow a script. It adapts based on the rep's tone, timing, and responses. We've built this to simulate actual selling pressure, because that's where true confidence is built. Immediately after the session, the rep gets actionable feedback, not just a score, but coaching points tied to the Sandler selling system. They can see where they hit the mark and where they missed the opportunity to go deeper, ask stronger questions, or handle an objection more effectively. The dashboard is where reinforcement becomes real. Reps can track their own progress over time, viewing growth trends for specific skills, their pacing, and use of filler words to see how their performance is improving. This isn't just a one-and-done tool. It's a partner in daily practice and continuous development. On the recording screen, reps can review any of their previous practice sessions and access quick views of their data for each session. They can even upload a recording from their own files and have it scored by AI Roleplay Coach. Reps can also choose one of their previous recordings to share with their coach, sales leaders, or colleagues for feedback. This gives them the opportunity to learn from one another, and leaders more visibility on rep performance. For managers, your coaching is only as good as your data, but it's difficult to access accurate performance data on traditional role plays. AI Roleplay Coach gives you visibility into how often reps are practicing, what scenarios they're choosing, and where they need more targeted coaching. This gives you the data you need without the drain on your time. Sandler AI Roleplay Coach gives your team anytime, judgment-free practice before they get on calls, and you get a data-driven, scalable way to drive rep improvement with proven Sandler strategies and AI-powered support.